Here's how to convert AVI to MKV video. So I created an app called ConvertSave. You can go to convertsave.com or just click the link in the description or pinned comment to go check it out. Basically, drag, drop, select your output. In this case, we're going to MKV and hit convert. And it saves right next to wherever your original file was. So I had that AVI file in here, it's converting to MKV. You can see the progress, and then boom, it's right there next to it. That's ConvertSave. I worked on this with my brother, and he's a software developer, and I wanted an option that was different than uploading all my files to any weird websites and having to download them and only do a couple at a time. So ConvertSave lets you batch convert files. You can also do images, video, and audio all within one app. It knows when you drag in images or video what outputs you can do. It also has a bunch of advanced features in here. So it'll show you the tool that's being used. It'll show you the conversion that's happening. And there's default conversion commands that are primary and secondary if the primary fails or isn't compatible with whatever the output is. And then you can add custom commands. So if you know what those are, then you're more advanced and you know what to put in here. But if you don't, there's an options builder that we've added, and we're working on this to make it even more user friendly. But you can add things like quality and adjust these sliders, and that's going to adjust the command here that it's generating for you. So you don't have to know what all of these things mean, but we're trying to make it more user-friendly down here so you can change things like resolution and frame rate without having to know exactly how to do it. And then you can apply those, and those become your custom command for this conversion type. And so you can see that here, it's written them out and applied it with the options builder. So that's pretty cool. There's a lot of advanced things you can do, add effects to images, cropping, doing different resizing things. And so if you're looking for a conversion tool, maybe ConvertSave is that tool for you. Yeah, so convertsave.com, link in the description down below. It works on Windows and Mac, and also this works totally offline. I could just turn off the Wi-Fi, it'll still work. All the tools are on your computer. There's nothing file-wise going to the server and back or anything like that. It's just happening on your computer. So everything as far as how many files you can do, the file sizes you're converting, and how fast it is really just depends on your computer's resources and how much hard drive space you have, right? And so that's ConvertSave. Go check it out. Let me know in the comments if you do. That's how to convert AVI to MKV. Thanks for your support, and I'll see you guys in the next one.